Google employees, I think. Some people like them, some people hate them. I think they're nice design, but they took away from the old area, so I'm mixed emotions about it too. So I can cycle, but where can I cycle to? Straight through. Not like Amsterdam, but it is cycle friendly, so you have your cycle locks there and another one of those bays there. Isn't too far to cycle to. You just clip it in and then untag or something like that. You can always lock your bike up to one of those fences. Just, I wouldn't risk leaving the bike out on its own. Then we have Board Course Theatre. I've actually only been in there once. Went to see that the Book of Mormon. If you get offended easily, don't go to see it, but if you have a very open mind in humour, it's bloody hilarious. It was a great night actually. It was a touristy night as well. Like, went out on the Lash. Yeah. We read it the next day. This is the Market Hotel, very expensive. I cannot afford it. Doesn't mean you can't. And here, if you can afford it, like, you know, donate some money to the channel here, people. I get an upgrade on the bike. And these are all nice apartments here. If you know, you know. So we're going a bit slower now. There's no real point in speeding around because we're just coming down to the Liffey. Let's get in the views, hear the seagulls. Again, it is early morning, so only a few people around. And what's a road? Just cycle down a bit. Yeah, see. This is mainly kind of built off of the IFSC, I suppose, like all these Morgan and Stanleys and Google and Facebook on this side. And then there's a few apartment blocks mixed in as well, and that's very bottom here. I've already shot the video. Like, it's got the lovely penthouse kind of building. Hold on, just whip it left onto the road. You see it here, all the way down to the bottom there. Big tall building. So yeah, weekends are usually quiet around this area. Weekdays can be busy. Smell of the sea. And you have your docks there if you're taking a cruise, if you're taking a ship across to England. Like, funny, years and years ago, lots of people used to take the ferry off to England, stock up on cheap drink, like I mean crates and crates and crates of alcohol, and then come back. So like, just think about, like, you know, you're paying for a ticket to cross the sea, buy a lot of drink and bring it back, and it was cheaper. So that's what price gouging does, you know. It's not too bad. They tried to keep it clean. The seagulls are. There we go, JP Morgan. So they got a building here. I think they're just mainly for the tax. The Irish tax is 12.5%. Music at this time, so someone rich in that apartment block is having a party. Oh look, there we go. Didn't even know about this. There's a bike stop there. Right, I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to take a little rest for a few minutes, and then we're going to go basically north sides, float around north side and then start heading back. Yeah, so if you haven't, like, subscribe, comment, share. Love me.